Okay, so a chi-square test has degrees of freedom just like a t-test does. A chi-square test, it's also calculated very similar. With a t-test, if you remember, you took the total number of samples and you minused one, and that gave your degrees of freedom. With the chi-square test, it's very similar, but instead of the number of samples, so let's say you have one bag, and the bag has 30 M&Ms in it, okay? Well, instead of doing 30 minus 1, we'll take the total number of categories and subtract 1, because we're comparing the categories to each other, aren't we? We're not necessarily comparing one M&M to another M&M. We are comparing one category of M&Ms to another category of M&Ms. That's what's happening with this chi-square test. You're comparing the categories to the claim of the manufacturer. So for instance, with M&Ms, there are 6 colors of M&Ms. So what would our degrees of freedom be? It'd be 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. If we're buying a big bag of candy for Halloween, well, we have 10 different types of candies that are in there. It's a bag of 150, but we don't do 150 minus 1. If there's 10 types of candies, we do 10 minus 1, because we are comparing the categories to each other.